से, चल।
अरे
चल, बोला ना, चल।
अरे तुम हाथ मत लगाओ।
हाथ क्या, मैं तो पैर भी लगाऊंगा। चल यहाँ से।
ये बात मैं बाबूराव जी से सुनना चाहता हूँ।
बाबूराव से सुनेगा ना तू? बाबूराव, मैं देखता हूँ तू यहाँ से कैसे नहीं जाएगा। जरूर जाएगा यहाँ से, साला चोर कहीं का।
बाबू भैया, बजरंगबली की कसम, मैं चोर नहीं हूँ। आप जैसे भले आदमी को इसकी बातों पे ध्यान नहीं देना चाहिए।
देवा, 2 साल में फुटी कौड़ी नहीं दिया और उसका किराया भी देगा। तू ध्यान है।
मैं चला जाऊंगा।
जा।
मैं चला जाऊंगा।
हाँ जा।
मैं सचमुच चला जाऊंगा।
चल 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 चल।
मैं जा रहा हूँ।
अरे तू जा रही।
मैं नहीं जाऊंगा, 2 साल का किराया दे के जाऊंगा।
इसका मतलब तू इधर से कभी नहीं जाएगा।
Hello everyone, welcome back to new video. So in this video we are going to talk about, अरे यार ये बारबी डॉल का बैकग्राउंड कैसा छुपाऊं? In this video we are going to talk about why Google is planning to exit out from Australia. So when I say exit out, it does not mean like that all of their services like Google Meet, Gmail, YouTube, no, only Google search engine. So there is one basic reason behind it. I am going to explain you that entire reason in this video. Google said it would block its search engine in Australia if government of Australia proceeds with the new code. Now let's see what is that new code. Australia's new code is a news media bargaining code which would require Google and Facebook to negotiate with local news organizations for content. So basically this code is designed to help Australian local media or industry which is struggling a lot, as large platforms like Google, Facebook take benefits from their work without even paying them. This code is made by ACC, which is an Australian organization, and this code is basically made to get money from tech giants. Let me tell you one thing, really Australian local media or industry is really struggling. For example is it is basically a research done, and I have get the facts basically from Google only. So the fact is that for every $100 Australian spent on digital advertisement, 81 Australian dollars is being taken by either Facebook or Google or combined, and rest 19 is left for entire Australian media. If this law is passed, then it would force Google to share the entire revenue that they make from the particular website or from a particular link which is basically made by some other company or some other organization. So what Google is saying is that they can't share the entire revenue. They can't share the entire revenue, but they can negotiate on some percentage, for example 20% or 30%, and Australian government is against this. So this is the main reason why Google said that if you pass this law, then there are chances that Google will stop its search engine services from Australia. What Facebook did was it threatened that it would prevent or block Australian users from sharing any news link on their Facebook app if this law is negotiated and if this law is passed. The huge profit makers in all of these things are going to be search engines like DuckDuckGo and Bing. On a personal note, as I am practicing digital marketing, I am really worried for Australian digital marketers who have their life totally dependent on Google's SEO, SEM, and their digital marketing skills. And there is one more thing which is not keeping but igniting a fear in the minds of Australians, that if Google search engine is blocked, whether it is going to affect their Gmail services, YouTube services, Google Meet services, Google Home services or not. What is also expected is that instead of entirely removing the Google search engine, Google is going to provide the search engine but of some other country. For example, we are living in India, and suppose if this happened in India and we are living in India and Indian version of Google is blocked. So if I turn on my location and I type restaurants near me, instead of my nearby area where I live, the restaurants of some other country's area like New York in US or New Jersey, those hotels or restaurants will be visible. Now I will tell you होता क्या है ना कि if you are suppose let's say an example, if you are living in Sydney and you googled best restaurants near me, if you googled best restaurants near me, and in any particular link you go and click, so point is that Google has the power to put advertisement on that website, and from that advertisement they can earn money. So basically what Australian government is saying that at the search bar जो links तुम दिखाते हो ना, Google जो links दिखाती है ना, वो किस कंपनी ने लिखी है या किस पब्लिशर ने पब्लिश किया, उसका पैसा हमको चाहिए, वो कंपनी को वो पैसा चाहिए, ये लॉ का ये मतलब है. What Australian Google had said in a 1 minute 55 second video is that they have an alternative solution, which is Google News Showcase, where around the world 400 publications have joined hand with Google, and if Australian journalism does that, then it is a benefit for them. Now I will tell you what is a Google News Showcase. So basically Google News Showcase is a paywall service, which means that suppose if with the Google, I will explain you this by giving example of India. Assume that Google News Showcase, our Indian companies like Times of India, Mirror, Mumbai Mirror, Bombay Times have joined hands with Google News Showcase. So you need to pay some amount to Google and purchase subscription, out of which you are going to get access to that content of Mumbai Mirror, or that content of the Hindu, or that content of the Times of India, which is not available on their free website, or which is not available in the in their printed paper.